Hello, San Gabriel. This is your Mayor, Denise Menchaca. It's been a week of reopening efforts across the county. Here is this week's video update on how COVID-19 is impacting our community. Health update. As of May 29th, Los Angeles County has 49,774 reported cases of COVID-19, with 136 confirmed cases in San Gabriel. This includes 50 cases at the Royal Vista Care Center. This week, I regretfully report that we now have a total of 7 confirmed deaths in our community as a result of COVID-19. Again, our hearts are saddened and our deepest sympathies go to those affected during these difficult times. This week, Los Angeles County announced a new change to the Safer at Home order to introduce additional locations and businesses that are permitted to open with modifications. Effective this week, this revised order aligns the County of Los Angeles with the state. As a result of the progress we've made in slowing the spread of COVID-19, select lower risk locations may reopen with reduced capacity, physical distancing, face coverings, and other infection prevention guidelines. These include in-store shopping at lower risk retail stores with reduced capacity, select manufacturing, non-essential office-based businesses, indoor malls, and shopping centers. Faith-based organizations may resume services as long as the organization limits attendance to less than 25% of the building's capacity or a maximum of 100 people, whichever is lower. With that in mind, higher risk businesses and locations remain closed in accordance with the state. These include bars, nightclubs, arcades, nail salons, hair salons, gyms, fitness centers, movie theaters, performance theaters, theme parks, and festivals. Please remember that residents in San Gabriel and in Los Angeles County are still encouraged to stay at home and away from groups who are not in their immediate family. We're making good progress at slowing the spread of COVID-19, but please remain vigilant, practice good hygiene, and stay home whenever possible. You can learn more about the new health order at publichealth.lacounty.gov. Update on city services, local, state, and federal resources. At the city level, this week, the San Gabriel Police Department will resume enforcement of timed parking beginning on May 27 and extending for 15 days. Officers will begin providing warnings in a timed parking areas in lieu of citations. After this 15-day grace period, active enforcement will ensue. It's important to note that overnight parking enforcement remains suspended until further notice. We'll give you plenty of notice once overnight parking enforcement begins. For questions about timed parking and any other traffic-related issues, please contact our Traffic Bureau at 626-308-2860 or email dg145@sgbd.com. The Herald Christian Health Center at 923 South San Gabriel Boulevard in San Gabriel has expanded their free COVID-19 testing and now includes all healthcare, grocery, restaurant, social work, and food service employees, and all seniors 65 plus and people with chronic conditions, regardless of whether you have COVID-19 symptoms. This site is testing both asymptomatic as well as symptomatic people. It also provides services in English, Mandarin, and Cantonese. Tests are by appointment only and are currently conducted 2 days a week. Please call 626-286-8700 for an appointment. Community kindness. This week, I want to highlight a generous donation received by the Alhambra San Gabriel Elks Lodge of $2,000. This donation helped facilitate essential supplies to La Casa de San Gabriel, and members of the lodge were able to unload and hand out food during the COVID-19 pandemic. As always, please submit your stories of community kindness to communications@sgch.org, and be sure to read our current stories at sangabrielcity.com/communitykindness. That concludes this week's video update. Thank you to everyone who continues to act responsibly. It will help save lives and get us to reopen more businesses sooner in our phased approach to recovery. Stay healthy, stay positive, San Gabriel.